Unveiling wonder In a world where the horizon is merely a starting point, a companion emerges, promising an experience beyond the ordinary. This companion is not just a device, it's an embodiment of dreams taking flight. With wings woven from innovation, and a heart that beats with the excitement of discovery, it welcomes you to a realm where the sky is no longer the limit. Imagine holding in your hands a piece of technology that transforms mere moments into timeless memories. This isn't just a camera, it's a storyteller capturing the essence of your adventures. Its foldable design hides immense power within, ready to unfold panoramas of splendor with every flight. The Elisian Mini Drone for kids isn't just about capturing images, it's about capturing imagination. It's about those magical instances when the world below becomes a tapestry of wonders from above. It's a window into a world that's both familiar and astonishingly new. Prepare to embark on a journey where the ordinary transforms into the extraordinary, where curiosity is your compass, and the sky is your canvas. This is the tale of an invention that transcends the ordinary, an invention that invites you to embrace the wonder of flight and the thrill of discovery. With a lens that catches the world in a symphony of pixels, the Elisian Mini Drone for kids reveals a vision that's both mesmerizing and crystal clear. Every frame it captures is an invitation to relive moments that once lived only in your mind's eye. The 4K 1080p camera is not just a technological marvel, it's a storyteller that weaves tales of distant horizons and untamed beauty. As the drone takes flight, it brings the world into focus from a perspective reserved for dreamers. The clarity of details, the vibrancy of colours, it's like painting the sky with reality itself. With each click of the shutter, you're preserving more than an image, you're capturing the heartbeats of experiences, frozen in time. This isn't just a gadget, it's an enchanter that transforms ordinary landscapes into epic vistas. Whether it's the golden hues of a sunrise or the mystic shades of a twilight sky, the camera's lens captures the essence of every moment with breathtaking precision. And in doing so, it unveils a vision that is both captivating and indelible, a vision that's as boundless as the sky it gazes upon.